Just picked up this is a 2000 528i. I got it for $1,000 because the coolant reservoir tank is cracked. And we got a full set of 5 style 5s. Oh, these are so nice. Swap that out for a little Volvo logo. I got 15 millimeter adapters on the way. Hopefully they fit. I might have to do a 225 tire. These are 235. And then hopefully I don't have to get them re-drilled. I will if I have to, because I think these are going to be perfect, making that Bertone look like a real red Italian sports car. We're going to take this lame logo off and stick a freshy one on there. Let's heat it up. Oh, that's pretty easy. Are you freaking kidding me? That looks so good. Okay, so we got the center caps dialed. They're looking pretty snazzy. We got the wheels ready. And then I just got these made. They came from Poland, so they're 15 mil. 15 mil 5x108 to 5x120 spacers are the smallest spacer I could find. Hub center. With the nuts. $350 or something. So we just need to slap. I got 215 45 17 sticky boy tires. So it should make this a little bit smaller and hopefully fit. Hoping to not have to roll the fenders. We could do a little fender massage if necessary, but I don't want to crack the paint. Got these tires put on. We're doing a 215 45 17. Hopefully these slide right on. This is probably the worst wheel, but whatever. Another thing you have to do when you're lowering these independent suspension cars is when you drop them, the toe of the rear wheels goes like this. So when I had the smaller wheels, I didn't really notice it that much, but it was skidding out super easily because like one way the wheels face this way, one way it's faced in, and it just drives like shit. So the stock camber arms have quite a bit of adjustment, so you can probably get away with that. But everything to do with the rear end is so feeble. I went and I got these BNE adjustable rods, and they're all billet aluminum and super sturdy, and hopefully that adds some rigidity to the rear end. I think they should be pretty quick install. Okay, we're in. One more complaint about BNE is lack of instructions. Like, I don't know which way these go. I don't know if it's a huge deal, but pretty self-explanatory, but knowing which way those sit would be helpful. Out with the old junk. These aren't too bad, but other ones are definitely sturdier. Hopefully it adds some rigidity. Head to the alignment shop. Wheels are on, and this is what we ended up with.